a job at the bank, proving money's not fun when you're gone. So this is the first verse. It's not very long, but I'm ready to move on. Guess what? I'm done writing your book. The ending got twisted around, but for all of the hell that it took, the electrical wires, the hum in the walls, and the room that I rent now. Without you, I've got friends who will help me pull through. The spaceman that can't get high. I'm coming back to my girl by July. Yeah, yeah. That's right. So guess what? I'm done drawing you pictures. I'm dulling the day with a drink in a parking garage by the theater we met for a movie. Every scene was a sign we made out through their meaning. Well, I've got friends who will help me pull through. The spaceman that can't get high. I'm coming back to my girl by July. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Done writing the songs, far too unstable to settle. I doubt that the doctors are wrong, so I'll wait by a palm tree, a palm tree, a palm tree. Well, I've got friends to help me pull through. A spaceman that can't get to my girl by July. 'Cause she'll help me pull through. This song for a long goodbye. I'm coming back. I'm coming back to my girl. Back to my girl. This song for a long goodbye. I'm coming back to my girl by July.